Hi, welcome back to hostboxcse channel and back to the tutorial for operating system. So this is a tutorial definitely helpful for whoever preparing for the examination like GATE, UGC, NET and college level, university level exam also. Let's start today. The previous session I explained about the difference between scheduling and everything. So preemptive scheduling and non-preemptive scheduling. Please kindly support the channel and check the playlist whenever free time and share with the video. And today we are going to say important terms but which is relevant for the algorithm, scheduling algorithm, and very important. Most of the competitive exams asking questions in this area. Today we are going to see the topic that is the meaning of what is arrival time, burst time, turnaround time, waiting time, and response time in CPU scheduling. Moreover, with the real time example, definitely we can catch it easily. Let's go for session today. Here, so what is arrival time? So arrival time is the time when a process enters into the ready state and it's ready for its execution. And what is its burst time? I will explain one by one easily. It's the total time taken by the process for its execution on the CPU. And remember, every process in a computer system requires some amount of time for its execution. And compilation time, you can say the time of which process completes execution, followed by turnaround time and waiting time and response time. So before I explain this point, I explain the scenario. Let's assume that I'm going to the bank where I'm going to physically visit the bank at 11 o'clock and for the purpose of deposit the money. So let's assume that I'm going to enter the bank. So once enter the form, enter the bank. What is the formalities? The earlier form is there. I have to go and talk with the single window pointer, single window clerk, or clerk who the officer is there. Then I have to wait for some time. First I communicate and take the form, and then have to wait for the queue. After that only I can deposit. Once completed my deposit, what happened? I maybe for example I start from the 11 o'clock and completing 12 o'clock everything, and after that I come back from the bank office, bank branch. That is possible. So this is the 11 o'clock the arrival time. Let's assume the 11 o'clock the arrival time here. Then burst time. Here there is the total time taken by the process for its execution on the CPU. For example, let's say that I enter the bank is 11 o'clock. So approximately I am completing 11 means 12 means what? That's 12 means that's the burst time here. And what is completion time? Completion time is nothing but the time of which process completes the execution. For example, my purpose of visiting the bank is what? Just entering and deposit the money. So it's completed. Totally take 60 minutes or 1 hour. That is completion time. So for complete the because most of the banks today physically going with the rules and regulation. Form is there or its token system. You can take the print the token number 121 or whatever the token number. Till the queue had to wait for some time. After once your number come, you can go nearby the window and deposit the money and go back. Next very important term is turnaround time. So what is turnaround time? You can say this is the total completion time minus arrival time. So let's assume that I start completion time totally 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. You can say here completion time is minus arrival time. So completion time just take totally 60 minutes here in the scenario. So here scenario totally 60 minutes is there. That 60 minutes how long completion time. So how turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time. So that is 60 minutes. Why means because completion time. So I complete the process 12 o'clock and started at 11 o'clock. So totally how much I am spending? That is 1 hour. That is 60 minutes I am spending. That is the total turnaround time here. Very important. Then waiting time. So waiting time is called nothing but turnaround time minus burst time. So turnaround time is what? 60 minutes. And burst time means how much seconds, how much minutes you are going to take the complete the process. That means after communication with the clerk or a single window operator, I'm setting the queue. I'm going. Okay, maybe I'm the 10th person, 20th person. Once I go to the bank counter and give the format challan and fill the details and deposit money. Already filled just no, I deposit immediately. So for this process it may take 15 minutes. Assume that 15 minutes. So that is the burst time here. So you can so the total waiting time is what? That is 60 minus 40. That is how long? So 15 15 minutes only bus time minus. So totally 45 minutes of waiting. So totally the bank I just waited 45 minutes, remember. So 15 minutes only process, but I have to wait. And then what is response time? The time at which a process gets CPU first time minus arrival time. So here the thing is there will be a time called when I go for CPU bound, there will be called IO execution and CPU execution is there. Remember, response time means what? The time at which a process gets CPU first time. Let's say example in the bank I am entering 11 o'clock. After I enter, what happened? I have to ask the procedure. So first time I go to talk with the window operator or SIG clerk, that is the first time communicating, that is the CPU response time here. Understand purpose I'm saying. So I just communicate and he will respond immediately. After that only I can go for the queue, take the format, fill the details like bank account number, what is the amount, like that. After that I go for the stand in the queue and deposit. After completing everything I come out of the bank around 12 o'clock. So these are very important points about this one. Arrival time was, that is when I am going to start the process in the CPU. Okay, in our upcoming session I explain the first come first serve and all the algorithms with some time period. Okay, P1, P2, process 1, P2, like that we can easily understand. First time means what? So time, total time taken by the process for its execution on the CPU. So total time taken for execution on the CPUs. For example, the process may take 20 seconds, another process may take 40 seconds, like that. Then complete time means what? The time of which process completes its execution. So totally how long will take? For example, process 1 may take 10 seconds, process take 40 seconds and so on. Turnaround time means what? Total, that is completion time, total completion time minus arrival time. Which time we are going to complete the process and what time you start the process. That is the one we are discussing here. And waiting time is turnaround time minus last time. Totally how long we are waiting the CPU, ideally, like that. At last response time and what time, and whenever start the process at some time you will communicate with the CPU, that is a response time. So these are about the meaning of arrival time and so on. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate in social media. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.